and just go like that.
What's up, guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to our kitchen. Today I'm here with El Mero Mike. And we are going to be making something that you guys actually requested. Several of you guys actually requested it, and it is Dalgona Horchata whipped coffee, like iced macchiato.
I'm down.
It's a lot, right? But I actually saw it. Somebody sent over the link for a TikTok for it. So we're going to be making it ourselves. And I do have a little enhancements. You know, we're here with the enhancer. And I feel like I'm really excited to kind of take over this and make it. And I'm excited AF to eat it. So if you guys are ready, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. And if you guys are ready for the horchata iced coffee macchiato Dalgona coffee, then let's get ready. All right, so what we're going to do first is...
That was dope.
It was?
Yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be my...
Probably like a one-timer, two-timer. Like a one-timer, two-timer. I don't think you can, if you do three, then it's like, okay.
Okay, you need to stop there.
All right, so we're gonna need some of this glass horchata mix, you guys. You guys can get this at pretty much any Mexican store or Food for Less. And we're gonna go ahead and put in 3 tablespoons into 1 cup of water.
All right, guys, so me from the future, I actually ended up adding another tablespoon. So if you guys are doing this following along, put in 4 tablespoons.
And then we're gonna go in with our evaporated milk and we're gonna add in 1/2 cup. And you guys, honestly, I'm living for these little things because they make everything so much easier. And then we're gonna go in with 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Oh. Oopsie daisy.
It's okay.
All right, so I put a little cup of water to heat. As you guys can tell, it's barely any water. We're gonna add some ground cinnamon.
How much? Teaspoon?
I would say probably like 1/2 maybe.
Me from the future again, I ended up adding another 1/2 tablespoon later. So just do the full tablespoon of cinnamon with water.
You're just gonna mix that around, and the reason why I wouldn't just put it in there is because I don't want it to just sit there. We really want it to like go in there, you know? Also, this is not authentic horchata, okay? Just because I know somebody's gonna come for me. This is absolutely not even close to being authentic, okay? Like not even close, okay? This is us working with what we have. Then you're gonna go ahead and put that in there. All right, and now we're gonna go in with some milk. I'm going in with my favorite oat milk, which is this one from Silk, but you can go in with any kind of milk that you want. And we're gonna go in with 1 cup of this. So right there, perfect.
All right, guys, so we have here leche condensada, which she put in there, but honestly, I feel like this is kind of perfect the way that I like it, and I feel like if it was any sweeter, it would just be too much. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this out. If you guys want yours to be a little bit sweeter, definitely add some, but I think we're gonna leave this one out. So, can you please put this in the fridge for me, my love? Thank you. All right, so now we're gonna move on to the whipped coffee horchata part, which is super, super, super duper easy.
Where's your little apron at, man?
I don't know. I just said I wanted to just look cute today, okay?
I heard the noise you were talking about.
Huh?
I heard the noise you were talking about.
Okay, well you be calling me crazy and I've heard it 3 times today.
So
We're hearing noises at the house and like
in upstairs, like somebody.
Yes.
Let me go bust someone in there.
Stop, because you're scaring me. I was hoping that you would just pretend you didn't hear it either. I've been hearing it all morning. And it's kind of weird, okay? It just sounds like there's somebody walking upstairs, but there's obviously nobody here. But I know the difference between when like the AC, not the AC, but like the heater turns on, you know, it makes a certain noise, but it's just been a different noise. So I don't know, I guess we'll see. So for this part, all you're gonna need is some instant coffee. Did you find a Monster up there?
No.
Oh. Some of the same horchata that we used, some sugar, and then some hot water.
All right, guys, so for this part, we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of your favorite instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of the glass horchata, and then we're gonna go in with 2 tablespoons of the hot water. This is the water that we use to cook the cinnamon. So cinnamon water I think would probably be even better. You can use regular water, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out with some cinnamon water. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix it. Alright guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and prepare how we're gonna make the rim. So we're adding in just some sugar and then some cinnamon. We're adding a rim even though we're gonna have a straw because of the presentation, okay?
I think that's about even, 50-50. What you think?
Love that. Here comes the part where we're actually gonna use a lechera for the rim. This is obviously optional. We're also gonna be using a straw, but we just kinda wanna do it for presentation to make it like a thing, you know? We're gonna go ahead and I don't want to ruin the rim.
All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and put in the stuff.
Our fake horchata mix, I know people are gonna be like, what? That is so not how you make it.
A fast and easy way to do it, so.
Plus, if this is horchata macchiato, it's not horchata, you know what I mean?
Now we're gonna go ahead and scoop the whipped part.
Grab us.
Alright guys, so we made some more. It smells good.
It smelled like the last time you smelled it.
Oh.
Oh, was that shade? So you want to fill this up to the top with the stuff?
Yeah. Damn.
You want to put a little
You definitely cannot. No, I mean I would, but it kind of, because it's, you know.
I'm just trying to enhance. I'm just trying to enhance your life. That's all I'm saying.
You're gonna enhance my life.
True that.
And then to finish it off, we are going to go in with a little palito of these just for decor. Do I break it?
I think that, not that way. I'd say you crack it the other way, though.
Oh.
I don't know.
Can I just do it like that?
I'm gonna go ahead and just go like that. Bloop. You know, it just kind of gives it like a look. It's like a vibe. Add a little, I'm gonna add some to yours too, okay?
Go for it.
Little cinnamon up at the top. Little cinnamon moment. Wow.
I think you might have to be a little careful with that cinnamon, because if you inhale that cinnamon.
Well, just don't inhale it. Don't inhale it, you guys. Do not be inhaling this stuff. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Honestly, wow. You guys, honestly, it looks so good. It smells delicious. I seriously cannot wait to taste it.
Taste test time.
Taste test time. You guys, it's getting hot. Like, I'm really hot right now. Okay, are you ready? I feel like it's so cute, I don't even want to ruin it. Did we do everything that we needed to do? You guys, when we do these videos, it's really a thing, because we need to get content for everywhere.
For Instagram.
For Instagram, for stories, for the thumbnail.
YouTube
so once you
stories.
destroy this, it's like, it's a thing. Okay, so we kind of got everything, right?
Do you start mixing in? I'm not sure.
Yeah,
You're the barista.
You want to mix in because, you know.
Because why?
Because you want to get the coffee in. Because that's the coffee part about it.
Oh, the top is the coffee part about it, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna start mine slowly, like just right here.
Holy shit, that's good. Ooh, the cinnamon on top really gives it like a pop.
Keep on driving. That shit is good. It doesn't taste too sweet. It doesn't taste too. That's what I like about it. Probably get it. Not even fronty. Not even fronty. Not even.
Oh my god! I can't believe I created this. What? Is this like a signature?
Yeah, they're gonna have signatures.
You guys!
Recipes.
Because this was not really like a copied recipe. We kind of made it our own because the milk was different, right? Me. And then me, you guys, I made it my own.
I think we just enhanced it, honestly. That's good.
That shit is good.
That's good. Let's wrap this up so we go outside and enjoy this. No, I'm just kidding.
He's trying to kick y'all out, just so you guys can see that he's trying to end this video.
No, you're tripping.
Taste it! I feel like you're not really enjoying my creation the way that I want you to enjoy it. So, I don't know. I feel like...
I just can't hit sweets like that. I can't hit it that hard. You know that. How long do you know?
How long do you rate it? How much?
How long do I rate it?
How much do you... What do you rate it?
I rate it this long.
Shut up. Okay, hold on. Let me see.
I just can't do too much sweet. It's good though. Very good.
The rim is good too.
Let me give it a shot.
It's kind of hard though because you do have like the top. You guys,
Good. Very good.
oh my god. You guys don't understand. You wanna know why I'm always shocked? Is because I was never one to be making stuff. Like I would bake stuff, but this is hella good. Like this, they would sell this at a place and it would be expensive. Especially if it was this big. Ain't nobody giving you no drinks this big.
No.
How much would this cost somewhere?
$13.99.
That's it? That's how much the drink costs at Starbucks, no?
I don't know, bro. You're asking someone that does not. This is not my field here. This is not my field, but this is delicious.
Oh my god. You can also taste like the coffee in there, but it's like a hint like of it. It's so good. Wow, I can't wait to make this. See,
definitely must try, guys. Definitely must try.
It's like I want to make it for all of my family, but then I don't want it like my uncle who is a bartender. Then everybody was always trying to get him to make drinks. And at first it's cool because it's like everybody likes your drinks. And then it's like people be just drinking them hella quick.
They do that to me all the time.
And then it's like, okay, like you don't even get to enjoy the party because you're the bartender.
I know, that happens to me all the time.
And then oops, I forgot how to make my specialty drinks. My bad.
That's good. You probably shouldn't even tell them that
you already drank all that.
I drank some. I'm there. Guys, highly recommended.
You guys seriously have to try this. It's so good. If you like horchata and like the cinnamon, the dashes of cinnamon that we put in there really like finish it off.
So you outdid yourself on this one. You did pretty good. Well, we all did pretty good, I think. It was all a team effort.
It was a team effort, you guys, because you guys suggested it. The person on TikTok did it. We kind of took it and made it our own.
Enhanced it.
And then now we're here with a amazing ass creation for all of us. We all did this together, you guys. This is our recipe, okay? I love it because this is our kitchen, but this is their kitchen too. This is all of our kitchen because we're a big ass happy family, okay? So make sure that you guys make sure that if you guys do recreate these, you tag us and let me know what you guys thought about it because honestly, it's so good. And I do know that obviously, you know, we kind of toggled with it and stuff and kind of added a little bit more in here, but I'm gonna add the exact like measurements and everything in the description box. Why can't I speak today? Yeah, I feel like description box is always such a hard word to say. Description. Yeah, see? It sounds like blocks. In the description. Huh?
I was gonna say description blocks.
It's really a thing, but yeah, so make sure you guys check that out because that's where everyth's going to be listed, you know, officially.
I can't speak English or Spanish.
I can't speak anything either.
What do I do?
And then we make sure that you guys check the description. That's what it'd be sounding like. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Have you got anything that you'd like to tell them?
I just wanted to tell you guys thank you for also entering my giveaway as well.
Oh,
we
yeah.
had some winners. So you guys also
we actually ended up choosing 3 people.
I chose 3, so I'm gonna continue to do that. So you guys just tune in for some giveaways. We'll probably do some giveaways as far as gift cards or whatever. You know, just stay tuned in and
make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell so you guys get notified every time that we upload. I feel like my mouth is just doing it on purpose now. So it's a thing. But anyways, we love you guys so much. We hope you guys are staying safe. I know it's kind of like a tough time right now. And obviously we're really missing our families. I feel like it's really starting to like weigh down on us. But we have to just, you know, try to remain positive. And
use FaceTime.
Use FaceTime, honey. Okay, so we love you guys and we'll talk to you guys next time.